In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a collaborator on Airtable. Whether you're managing a small project or a large team, knowing how to invite collaborators can streamline your workflow and enhance productivity. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to Airtable's website. You can easily find this by typing Airtable into your search engine. Once you land on Airtable's homepage, look for the option to sign in at the top right corner of the page. Click on it. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one. But assuming you've been using Airtable, simply input your credentials and log in. After signing in, you'll be directed to the Airtable homepage. This is your command center where you can see all the bases you've created or have access to. Now locate the base where you want to add a collaborator. If your screen is crowded with multiple projects, you might find it helpful to use the search bar at the top to filter through your bases quickly. Once you've found the appropriate base, go ahead and click on it to open it up. Now pay close attention to the top right corner of your screen. You should see a button labeled Share. Click on this button. It will open a new window where you'll manage all your sharing settings. In this new window, you'll see an option that says Email Invite. Clicking here allows you to add new collaborators by entering their email addresses. Simply type in the email address of the person you wish to invite. As a quick tip, if you're adding multiple collaborators, you can separate each email with a comma for convenience. After you've entered their details, you'll notice you have the option to set the level of access for your new collaborator. This is where you decide what they can or cannot do in this base. Common options might include editor, commenter, or read-only access, depending on how much control you want to grant them. Once you're satisfied with your settings, review your entries one last time. Ensure that the email addresses are correct and that the appropriate level of access is selected. After double checking everything, go ahead and click Send Invite. The system will dispatch an email to your collaborator containing an invitation link to the base, and there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully invited a collaborator to your Airtable project. This ability to seamlessly add and coordinate with others can significantly enhance the functionality of your projects. Whether you're working remotely or just trying to keep everyone on the same page, sharing access on Airtable makes collaboration straightforward and efficient. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to guiding you through more Airtable tips in our next video.